Welcome back to my channel! So for today's video po, ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano natin makikita ang ating time watch at kung paano tayo mag-clear ng ating history. So yeah, before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let's go! Okay guys, so ang gawin na natin gagawin is syempre pupunta tayo sa YouTube. Okay guys, so dito sa YouTube, yan. So ang next is pipindutin natin yung library, and then next pipindutin natin ito yung ating icon, yan, pindutin natin yung ating icon, and then pagkatapos nyan, pupunta tayo sa settings, yan, and then next is pipindutin natin yung history and privacy, yan, history and privacy, dito guys. History and privacy, yan. And then dito natin makikita yung clear watch history and clear search history. So, yung past watch history is ibig sabihin, kapag pinost nyo yung watch history nyo, kung may pinanood kayo, hindi nyo po yun makikita sa my watch history nyo. So, pipindutin lang natin yung clear watch history. Clear watch history. So, pagkatapos magbaback na tayo. So, pagka-back natin, is i-gan natin siya guys. Yan. And then, ayan, wala na sila. Wala na yung history mo. Okay, and then next is yung ating time watch. So, pipindutin natin yung time watch. So, ayan, dito natin makikita yung time watch natin. So dahil nag-clear history tayo, wala na tayong time watch. Kasi nga, nag-clear history tayo. Pero kung nanood kayo, dito na makikita yung daily average ng time watch nyo. So, yan. Yun lang guys. Sana ay may natutunan kayo dito sa video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.